So last week I started organizing all of our vintage hardware. We've got a good pile to go to recycling, and now I needed to clean out my drawers of all the new hardware that I've acquired and am hoarding for the right piece. So this will give us one clean wall with all the hardware so I can see it in one fell swoop. I was also able to do lots of these little photos that are from a scrapbook printer. Super fast, super easy. And on all the new ones, I actually did a pink background. Originally wasn't intended to be that way, but that's how it worked out. So it's going to help me also really quickly see what's new, what's old. So let's do it. That's a pretty piece of hardware. These are just a really simple knob. It has like a little 4-leaf clover on the inside. Oh, and that pen is done. Now I gotta find. Oh, these are cute. Sometimes I buy just a couple, thinking I might just use them on like top drawers or something, and sometimes I buy what? Oh, there we go. These are solid brass. They're amazing. They are really heavy and they are really well done. Just a super simple. They're more expensive than you think. Right here. These are actually a Crate and Barrel 2 knob that somebody put on a different piece. Kind of a mid-century mod knob. And they're worth keeping. We might use them on something. I probably would have never bought them as is. Oh, these I bought recently as a sample. It's hard to find bigger knobs. So these are a bigger knob. They're hard to find. Oh, here they are. These are tiny, tiny, tiny itty bitties. These are like what are on the doors on Maeve. These little tassels. These are these awesome pieces from Plank. I love these. They also come in a little T-pull. They don't do high gloss, they just do the satin finish, but I still love them anyway. And they come with this great little hardware kit. These are back plates. We did these on a piece called Waverly. Where's all the fun stuff? We also have a whole set that are in their original condition. These we sent out to be electroplated. These were just a cheap pot metal, but I really loved the shape of them and what they looked like. And so we sent out to have them brass plated. Don't need that anymore. These are kind of cute. I've only used these on one piece before, but they have this little crystal hexagon. Kind of, I guess that's white. These are really interesting. These were from Modern Matter. So we used one on Maeve, and then from the same company. So this is a little, I think it's called Tiger's Eye. So it's kind of this tortoise shell color. And since they're singles, they can stay together. These are the tassels that are on the lower part of Eden. These are ginormous. They're my favorite of all time. Modern Matter. I mean, look at that. That is stunning. So there's 2 of these. Back plates. Sometimes when you have a really simple, kind of boring knob, you want to do something different with it. So I buy little back plates for them. They're not cheap, but sometimes it's worth the extra little zhuzh. We have these triangles that are kind of nice. We have squares. These are heavy. They go really nicely with that square pull. I gotta go get a... Yeah, I like these too. I think it's a pretty one. 8, not 5, or 10 of these. 6 of these, 2 of these. And these are different because they're not shiny and they have a straight shank. Long ones, just these. There we go. Okay, so this 1, 2. These are amazing. These are Modern Matter real lapis. They are stunning. They are heavy. I love them. These are all right here. 7, 8, 9. That doesn't say that. I always order even numbers. Hopefully that works. There's only 2 of these. These are similar to the big Modern Matter ones, but they're Greek key instead. So these are Henredon door pulls, and we had a set where one of them was missing this, which you'll never find. I mean, never. So honestly, this broken one should go in recycling, but these 2 potentially I could use again. And always put the screw back on, otherwise you'll never find a screw. So these came off of a Whitacomb set that I have. They're my personal pieces, and they came originally with a round ring pull like that, and I instead put big square ones on it just because I thought it looked better. So I'm still going to keep the originals just in case. And then this set, oh, this set. Sometimes people sell old hardware on Facebook Marketplace and I get lured in. I thought this was very pretty. It came with the knobs. So as soon as they arrived, I cleaned one. This is base metal. It's not, they're not going to clean up. I don't know if I'll ever use these. I don't love them. You know, it happens. 6. And these probably should stay in here. So, faux bamboo parts and pieces. Sometimes they're broken. These are actually plastic. They are not wood. They're used on the corners of a piece of furniture. So like this was the side and this would be the top. And we had a piece that had one broken and I wanted to make sure I could find others. So I shopped on eBay for a long time to try to find some. And then we parted out a piece the other day. So now we also have one extra. So we did the orange coffee table Pablo that's actually on sale. Had these weird leather corners, so I bought these to put on the corners of this coffee table. But once I saw them on there, I didn't like them. So I have 4 of them here for something else someday. I think they're really cool. I've seen people put them on baseboards, like on the corner in a house. This is a mail sorting table that I got on Facebook Marketplace, and it still has everybody's addresses and names. I love it so much.